24 लोगों की जिंदगी चली गई इसी पुल के नीचे गिरने की वजह से। लेकिन सवाल ये कि IVRCL कंपनी जो इसे बना रही थी, आखिर अभी तक कोई गिरफ्तारी इस मामले में क्यों नहीं हुई है? जवाबदेही जिम्मेदारी क्यों नहीं तय हो रही है? IVRCL कंपनी इस वक्त प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही है, आइए आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं।
అడ్మినిస్ట్రేషన్ తో మేము సహకరించడానికే ఉన్నాం. మేము దొంగలం కాదు, లేదా మేము మర్డర్ చేసింది లేదు. మేము అందరూ ఇంజనీర్స్ కష్టపడి పని చేయడానికి మీలాంటి నాలాంటి వాళ్ళే 6000 మంది పని చేస్తున్నాం ఈ కంపెనీలో. అందుకు మీతో ప్రాబ్లం నాకు ఎక్కడ వస్తున్నదంటే, ఒకటి చెప్తే ఇంకోటి రాస్తారు, ఇంకోటి చెప్తే ఇంకోటి రాస్తారు. నేను చెప్పాను, అయ్యా మేము చేతిలో చేయవలసిన పనులన్నీ మేము కష్టపడి చేసాం, మాకు ఎలా జరిగిందని మేమే ఆ షాక్లో ఉన్నాం. అందుకు ఇంకేదైనా జరిగితే భగవంతుడే చేయాలి అని చెప్పా. దానికి ఏదో గాడ్ అని ఏదో రాసుకుంటూ పోతున్నారు. అందుకే నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని డిసైడ్ చేస్తే మీరు ఇంగ్లీష్ అన్నప్పటికీ నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడాలని నా ఉద్దేశం అదే. అందుకు గాడ్ కరెక్టే, నేను చేయలేని పని ఏం చేస్తామండి? అయ్యా దేవుడా నువ్వే రక్షించాలి అంటాం కదా, అదే నేను చెప్పింది నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లోను. ఓకే, ప్లీజ్ టెల్ మీ మ్యామ్.
At the outset, IVRCL regrets and is deeply mourning about the loss of the precious lives. We are equally pained. We are in lot of sorrow and grief about the loss, and we are in deep shock about the accident that has occurred. It is merely an accident that had taken place. The investigation is still in process. Why it has happened, nobody is yet to arrive. We are yet to arrive at the decision. When 59 slabs are constructed using the same material, taking the same permissions, taking the same approvals from the concerned departments and the statutory authorities, and in a similar fashion the 60th one was also constructed, and unfortunately it collapsed. We are not aware of why it collapsed. We are also expecting the result to know why it is happening. Meanwhile, IVRCL and its concerned staff will cooperate with the investigation. We will give the maximum support what we have to give. We are anxious to know why it happened as well. We want to know the reason why it happened, because the same material, after seeking the approvals only, it has been used. Prima facie we feel it is a mere accident that has happened, for which we also feel very, very sorry, and we empathize with all the members of the families who lost their respective family members and who are injured in the accident. And we give abundant of support and extreme support to all the statutory authorities, whoever it is. And we have informed all our concerned people to be available to the investigating authorities to get to whatever, to answer to their queries.
And today Kolkata police has arrived in Hyderabad. Have they contacted you?
No, not so far. Not so far. We have no information on that. No, so far. Not so far.
No police has come.
आपकी टीम से किसी से बातचीत हुई है? आपके ऑफिशियल से, IVRCL के किसी ऑफिशियल से कोलकाता पुलिस की टीम से बातचीत की है?
No, they have not contacted us so far.
So far no one has contacted from the police.
Your members have been contacted in
No.
Kolkata.
We have no idea about it.
Our people are
investigation going on from the police side. What are they questioning the
We did not get any information so far, but we have kept all our concerned informed to cooperate with the investigation,
With the
to give
administration.
abundant support.
And you saying Kolkata police has not even got in touch with the employees or management in Kolkata also?
We have no idea about it. I did not get any information
There are
about
also
it.
like employees like us, no?
IVRCL के अगेंस्ट में केस रजिस्टर हुए हैं, उसके बारे में क्या जानकारी है? क्या
We do not know. Yesterday in the
That's what
news we read their FIR is issued. Apart from that, we do not know anything.
Like
We
you
do
were
not
also
know-
just seeing
we
in
do
the
not know
TVs.
what the contents of the FIR is also. We do not have any idea against whom it is lodged also. We have no information because it is not served upon us so far.
क्या आप मानते हैं ये नेग्लिजेंस का केस है, लापरवाही हुई?
No,
We do
no,
not
no, no,
know. We do
absolutely
not.
not. Absolutely not. At this point
No,
of time,
no,
we
it's not
cannot
so.
say anything, because that, as I told earlier also, we use the same material. What the material was used for constructing the 59
Spans.
that length of 59 pillars or slabs, whatever, the same material is being used for 60th also. Unfortunately, it collapsed. Unfortunately, it collapsed.
Sir, the big question is,
Have they been contacted by the Kolkata?
We have no information. That's what I'm saying.
So,
That's what we are saying.
After hearing all the news, we already sent our officials from here to there.
Ma'am,
They're already there in Calcutta.
Construction started in 2009.
Yes.
Right.
Why it took so long? Like till now,
Right.
why is it not completed?
It
What are
is.
the
It is
details?
mainly because
The front is not available. Front is not available.
It is mainly because,
Clearances
as
are
you
not-
are all aware, it's a very busy place, and the construction could not happen more than 6 hours a day. We could not do because of the traffic and all.
Because of the traffic
We
and
were
all that.
constrained.
18 months to
Let me complete. Let me complete. Let me complete. We were constrained. One second, I'm answering on that. I'm answering.
మేడం ఏమి ఇప్పుడు మీకు అరేంజ్ చెప్పమ్మా
We did not get the necessary. One second.
18 months ago.
అవును
We did not get the necessary approvals on time. The delay
correct.
does not happen. One second.
Avunu,
The delay
why,
does not happen only because of the contractor's side. The delay
No, no.
will happen
ఇందాక
because of
చెప్ప-
various reasons.
ఇందాక చెప్పినట్టే.
Various reasons. Whoever involved in execution the work, the delay happens due to various fronts. You cannot
ఎందుకంటే-
label again. You cannot
ఎందుకంటే-
label that this person is the reason for delay.
You
You
are saying
cannot
government
attribute.
was not giving necessary approvals. You're saying you did not get the.
I did not say that. I said all the reasons will collaborate.
It may happen, man, not because of
All
that.
the reasons put together will cause the delay.
But many approvals were not given for you to carry on the construction.
Probably. I am not from a technical side, so I cannot answer that.
अप्रूवल समय पे नहीं मिला जिसकी
Tell
वजह
me,
I
ma'am.
am not saying that. Oh my name
Tell me.
Patari. I am not saying
put
that. I am
one
saying
after
there
another.
are various
One
reasons.
after another.
There are various reasons for the project to be executed. And all the reasons, one reason also could delay the execution of the project. Whatever reason it could be, the technical people will be able to tell. We cannot tell.
You had any pressure from the
Ray Babu,
government side
one
to
second,
complete the
one
project?
second.
I
One
may have
second.
no idea.
There is a pressure from our side for your information, not from the government side. Though they have given in. Okay, తెలుగులో చెప్పండి.
We have no idea.
నాకు 2
दलील सुने आपने इनकी। जी हाँ, कर्ज में डूबी हुई एक ब्लैक लिस्टेड कंपनी हो चुकी है IVRCL, लेकिन जब उनसे सवाल पूछा जाता है तो दुख और दर्द का इजहार कर रहे हैं। कहते हैं दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है। क्या इतना बड़ा ब्रिज विज्ञान और टेक्नोलॉजी के इस युग में भाग्य के हवाले छोड़कर ये कंपनी यहाँ पर बना रही थी, जो 24 लोगों की जिंदगी के बार बार कह रहे हैं कि ये स्लैब भी वैसे ही बना था, वो स्लैब भी वैसे ही बना था, ये स्लैब क्यों गिर गया समझ नहीं आ रहा है। क्या इस तरह की समझ के साथ शहर के बीचों बीच बड़ा बाजार में ये कंपनी पुल बना रही थी? संगीन सवाल मुंह बाए खड़े हैं।
कहा कि उत्तराखंड की जनता के साथ धोखा हुआ है, बागियों ने धोखा किया है और इसके पीछे साजिश है बीजेपी और साथ ही प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का नाम उन्होंने लिखा। उत्तराखंड में राष्ट्रपति शासन लगते ही कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के बीच वार पलटवार